Okay, we're up in the Tembe Elephant Park, which forms part and parcel of the greater Lubombo transfrontier area. It's a relatively small but very important conservation area in South Africa, 30,000 hectares. It's communally owned, it's managed by Ezemvelo. And what we're looking at is a feasibility study to drop the fence between Tembe Elephant Park and the Maputo National Park in Mozambique. The 30,000 hectare Tembe is already pushing at the seams because the area is quite heavily stocked and there's nowhere for the animals to go. There's communities to the east and the west and the south, but there's a large transfrontier area to the north linking up to the main body of Maputo National Park via the Futi connection.
Ecologically, being able to have a continuous protected area within this greater landscape of the Transfrontier Park is incredibly important. You need species time to move, you need gene flow between the two protected areas.
In addition, there are animals in Tembe which are currently not present in Maputo National Park. And that in some ways, from a Mozambique perspective, is an issue to removing the fence because the communities are worried that if animals like lions move in and elephants have broken the fence, that these lions are going to get into their areas. And these are issues which we would need to explore how we can mitigate those.
Just being able to have a Transfrontier Park affords you incredible opportunities. So obviously the ecological benefit is huge and it's relatively obvious. But there's also a knock-on effect. There's huge benefits to having a protected area that spans borders of countries, the tourism aspect that goes with it, the beneficiation that you can do for communities.
The main goal here really is biodiversity, and if biodiversity wins, the communities and the local economies are ultimately going to be beneficiaries.
It's an incredible model actually that can benefit people, the environment, biodiversity.